as the storm moves northward, but the gusty winds come in. So it's windy and chilly for tomorrow. Here's our next system, which will be on our doorstep later on Saturday. So a close look. That band that comes through around 7 o'clock, then the skies clear, the winds pick up, temperature starts to drop, and it's going to be chilly tomorrow morning because with the wind, it'll feel like it's in the 20s. Now here come the clouds after a sunny start on Saturday, and by late day, the first of the showers move into parts of the region. Some heavier downpours to come through overnight Saturday night, possibly into the early part of the day on Sunday. But that's also going to be accompanied by gusty winds again. So as we go through overnight Saturday night and Sunday, a very windy period. Wind advisories may be needed at that time. All right, so there's your deal. Still a few more showers to get through the evening. Then brighter day tomorrow, but windy. Nighttime rain for the most part on Saturday could commence late day. And Sunday may dawn rainy, but then we'll have some partial clearing, very windy. It'll be chillier on Monday, milder on Tuesday, and then a little colder again on Wednesday. Right now it looks cold and dry for Thanksgiving, but not bitterly cold as I see it right now.